Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing another unboxing, a PR package from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. You guys love when I do these on my channel, and of course today is the day you've been waiting for. I'm going to be announcing the winner of my Jeffree Star Cosmetics giveaway. Definitely stick around and stay tuned till the end of the video when the winner is going to be revealed. And without any further ado, let's jump into this unboxing. Let's see what we got this time around, even though of course we all already know. Just removing this tissue paper here. And we see we got, bam, the F-Proof mascara. This, as we know, has been restocked. Definitely, if you're interested in it, guys, I did a really in-depth review. I am going to, in this video, include a little bit of that review. So many of you absolutely adored it so much, and I wanted to show you how crazy things got. Look at this packaging. You cannot use this without doing the whoosh, whoosh at least a couple times. Keep in mind, this is not sold out yet. And now let's jump into some of my favorite scenes from my original video, which again will be linked in the description section if you'd like to catch the whole thing. First, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like on an uncurled lash. I've coated the top and bottom with only one layer, and this is what it's looking like. It's already doing pretty great. I'm not seeing a really giant curl though. I like my eyelashes to be nice and curled, but I usually curl my lashes when I'm just wearing mascara. But again, I don't really usually just wear mascara, but when I do curl them. This is how it looks, just regular. The next shot here, this is on a curled lash, and again, it's only one layer on the top and bottom lashes. You can see that when you curl it, it really takes it there, and it looks a lot bolder in my opinion. I really like that. And here is what it looks like with two layers on both sides. Now, in my opinion, we're reaching a little bit of a clumpy level. I personally don't like a clumpy mascara. I like a mascara that really evenly separates my lashes. Now, while this mascara is slightly on the clumpier side, I have definitely used mascaras that are more clumpy that I really don't like. I can definitely forgive the clumpiness for how wonderful the formula is. Now, for the final test, which is the one that you guys have been waiting for, you're welcome, by the way. This like water went up my nose. It was not pleasant, but Ian literally dumped, as you can see, a bowl of water in my face. And guys, this did not budge. It didn't budge. I couldn't believe it. I truly, with every other mascara, now I don't typically use waterproof mascaras because they are so hard to wipe off, but this did not budge. Now you can see here, I went in with my fingers and did a small wipe. All of the product came off. It's almost like it came off in one cohesive unit altogether. I was shook. And now back to our PR package and opening the next item. As you may have already guessed, it is, of course, let's rip open to it here. It is the Star Ranch palette. This is such a beautiful addition to anybody's Jeffree Star Cosmetics collection. I really like the outside packaging, as you can see here. And if we look at the color story, of course, it is so beautiful. I really love the color combination in there. I'm going to include a little snippet here from the video that I filmed, which included an entire review of the Star Ranch palette. So if you're looking to pick up the palette, or you did pick it up today, make sure you check out that review. I will tag it up here as well as in the description section. If you're looking for some inspiration, and if you picked up this palette or you want to know to pick up this palette, definitely check out that video. Let's jump into the swatches. So first we have the shade Yak Farm, then we have the shade Owl Eyes, followed by Open Range, then we have Casper Mountain, then we have the beautiful earthy color Wyoming. Then we have Star Creek, followed with Old Jeff. Then we have Grand Prismatic. And finally, Winter Wind. And now back to our PR package. We're about to unbox the brand new Star Ranch Yak Skull Mirror. Now, when I first saw this, I'm gonna keep it completely real with you. I was like, not really my vibe. but after I received it in person, like a lot of the stuff from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, I fell in love with it. Can we talk about how unique this is? Like, name one brand that would put something like this out. It's so unique. We're following Jeffree on each step of his journey of his life, and I really like that that reflects through the makeup products that we get. This is so unique and beautiful. Now, I got so many questions about the size. I'm gonna hold it up here. Compared to a regular mirror, you can see that it is almost double the size. We are getting a big boy here. So what I really enjoyed also about the mirror was the fact that you can see a lot of your face in it. With the Star one, because it's smaller, you don't really see as much. So I really do love that about the mirror. Now let's get into the good stuff. Let's talk about who won this giveaway and what you've won. So first, of course, we have the Star Ranch palette. I decided to throw this in after I received another one in PR. I have a bunch from getting the mystery boxes. It is such a beautiful palette. And then bam, now we have the custom 9-pan palette that I put together for the giveaway winner. I really like the colors here that I've put. I wanted it to be completely different from what you were getting from Star Ranch, so you could really get new varying colors. The first shade is Cake Mix, followed by Cotton Candy. Then we have Cherry Soda, followed by Bubblegum. Then we have Jawbreaker, followed by Tongue Pop. Then CEO, Fresh Meat, and lastly, Snack. And of course, the star of the show, we have the LED Star Mirror. This has been so beautiful. I've heard such amazing feedback from anyone who purchased it on their own. Love this, guys. To the winner, congratulations, because you are going to love this mirror. I've found it so useful ever since having it. I always use it when I do my makeup. And the winner is, I'm gonna put it on the screen now. Bam. Thank you so much for your continued support. It truly means the world to me. Please, guys, I don't want you to be discouraged if you didn't win this time around. Like I mentioned at the very beginning of my YouTube career, if I managed to get myself onto the Jeffree Star Cosmetics PR list, which was my biggest goal, I would always pay it forward to you guys, and I have stuck to that promise, and I will continue to stick to that promise. Please don't be discouraged if you didn't win this time around. Everyone is going to get a turn, and that is a promise. I love giving back to you guys. It really, truly gives me such joy. It's so nice that I'm able to give back to you guys because you are so sweet and kind to me, always in support of my work and everything else, and I can't stress how much that means to me. And yeah, guys, that is pretty much it for today's winner. Again, congratulations so much to the winner. I am so happy for you. I am gonna get this package out to you as soon as humanly possible, and I am so excited for you. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a like if you like this giveaway, and if you'd like to see more, please leave me a comment down below. What was your favorite part about this giveaway? Please let me know. I want to do more stuff that you guys love. And of course, if you haven't already, please make sure you're subscribed. It really helps me out when you guys subscribe, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye, guys.